In this video, I will be showing you how to easily unlink Instagram from Facebook in 2023. It's important to watch until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes. So let's begin. First, open up the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture, then tap on the three lines and get into the settings. Scroll down until you find Account Center and tap on it. This is where you can find your profiles. To unlink an account from your Meta Account Center, you need to remove that account. To do this, simply tap on Accounts here. That will not remove that particular account, but it will remove it from the Account Center. Just hit Remove and it will say that the Facebook account will lose access to connected experiences, but it will not delete or deactivate your account. Then, hit Remove Account, Continue, and Remove. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to write them down in the comments below. Also, I recommend you check out my Facebook and Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.